Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's another Monday, which means I'm back at Aldi. I have a week of groceries. My family and I are leaving later this week to go on vacation, which means I'm trying to use up foods that we have in our fridge, use what we have on hand, and also I'm not meal planning for an entire week because we won't be here all week. So let's go into the store, get the goods, and I'll share with you my week before vacation meal plan. Okay, I've never bought these before. They seem kind of expensive at $7.99, but then I remind myself that is a steal for 8 snacks at Disney. So I'm actually gonna get 2 of these. I think everyone in my family would like these, and we can take them into the parks for quick snacks rather than stopping to get a snack somewhere. Never mind, I'm putting those first ones back. I'm actually gonna get 2 of these at $3.59. Much better value, much more aligned with my budget. I haven't tried buying them in quite a while, but they don't have the peanut butter wheat crackers. I was gonna get those for the park as well, but they don't have any, bummer. We are having a dog sitter come to the house, and I was told she likes Wheat Thins, so I'm getting a couple different snacks for her to have. $2.15 for these. It is my lucky day. We're getting paninis. I'm getting panini bread this week already, $1 off, so it's only $3.99. Yay, love red stickers when I already planned to get it. There are more red stickers of different foods that I like, but I'm gonna pass. Oh my gosh, this would actually be pretty good for paninis too. I actually might do that. No, I always like getting this panini bread, but good red stickers. I love these mini avocados, and I cannot believe they're only $1.89. It's such a good value. So I'm gonna grab a bag. Red grapes are only 99 cents a piece, or a pound, not a piece. So I'm gonna grab a bag. Easy fruit for the week. We get hot dogs at Costco, but I'm getting some buns for $1.29. I have been obsessed with eating raw cauliflower just dipped in ranch lately, so I'm gonna get another head at $2.59. Gotta get the biggest one. Yummy. My son loves these. We're just out, and I probably take these for our trip too. $3.59. I'm gonna get spinach because I can use it for salads and I can use it for paninis. So $1.29 for the bag. Our house sitter also loves salt and vinegar chips. I was hoping these would still be here. $2.19. Potatoes, a 10-pound bag for $5.49. My last bag was like half rotted, so I'm gonna inspect these. We are also out of yellow onions. Always keep these on hand, $2.15. I love the artichoke hearts. I get these for paninis. Literally my favorite topping, $2.59. Put this with pesto, gooey cheese, so delicious. One thing I'll say though is I'm really sad they got rid of the artichoke salad. I really loved it with the red peppers and the olives. That was my favorite. I'm gonna get Old Faithful. These crunchy bars, all my kids love, $2.15. All my kids also love these granola bars, $1.85. Again, I'm gonna put these in backpacks when we're in the parks. My husband didn't ask me to get these, but I know him well enough to know that he will want some of these on the trip. I'm gonna get 6 at 89 cents a piece. Okay, I saw these posted on an Aldi group. Butter bars and lemon bars, that they were delicious, and I was gonna look for them anyways, but then they have the red sticker on them. I am definitely getting the butter bars, $2 off. They look amazing, and the rave reviews convinced me, so I'll get them for $3.29. Okay, how pretty are these towels? We actually are in the middle of renovating one of our bathrooms, and I can't do white. I wish there was gray because, oh my goodness, look at, are there 2 of them? No, okay. Well, I'm gonna get a gray. I don't know. I wish there were 2 gray sets for my girls, but I'm gonna pass right now. I'll think on these, but they're so pretty. Okay, there's lots of fun things. I love this s'mores maker. I haven't seen that here, and it's already reduced. We bought a projector screen from Aldi on clearance and gave it to our kids for Christmas last year. Love it. We've used it a few times out by our pool. Really fun. And not only do they have the screen, but they have a projector. So we definitely love it. It's fun to do outdoors. It's not something we do all the time, but very fun. I love these rattan lanterns. Super cute. Bottle storage that can be helpful if you have lots of bottles like we do. They have more cards here, super cute. I'm very tempted to get one of these for my son to take to Disney, but I know we're gonna have so many things that he'll want to buy there. We don't really need to buy more, but it's very cute. And I know he'd love them. Lots of organizing items, fridge liners, drawer organizers, different scrubbing dishcloths. Those look nice. And this is hilarious to me that there are pill things here because I literally just bought pill travel containers on Amazon yesterday. How did Aldi know I needed them? I might have to get this anyways at $3.99. But again, I just bought one yesterday, so it's already on its way. But I always feel like that happens. Aldi comes out with obscure items right after I buy it. I should have just waited. Scrub gloves. Pretty laundry baskets. Hug a Pet. Oh, you can put your arms right through the holes. That's kind of weird. We went school supply shopping last week and I refused to buy the tissues at Target because I knew I could get them for $1.09 here. So I'm going to get 9 of them so each of my kids has 3 to take to their class for the school year at open house in a few weeks. Okay, our house sitter also likes chocolate chips, so I'm going to get these chocolate chunks at $2.49, and then I'm also going to get her dark chocolate chips. Her sister is one of my daughter's best friends, so I got the inside scoop before she came over, and these are $1.99. We're having Alfredo tonight, and I'm going to make it with penne, which is my husband's favorite, 98 cents. I'm going to get 2 boxes. Not sure if we'll use both. Okay, I'm getting the traditional marinara for when we have pizza, $1.45. Parmesan, I use this along with fresh for the Alfredo, $2.89. My travel bar, I only buy it when I go on vacation, is the Raisin Hazelnut Bar. It's not here. I don't know what's going on. I haven't looked since my last vacation. I'm a little disappointed. I hope it's not gone forever. I can deal with it being gone for a single trip, but if it's gone forever, I may not survive. I love that chocolate bar. On a brighter note, there are plenty of my favorite waters. I'm gonna get 5 of them at 89 cents a piece. Our house sitter only drinks water, no coffee, nothing. So I'm gonna get her a pack of water at $3.29. I don't know if she would like our tap water is the reason I'm doing this. Obviously she doesn't have to drink this if she likes our tap water, but I want her to have options and feel comfortable. So I'm gonna get this. I am getting the sliced mozzarella. This will be great for paninis and our uni pizzas, $3.29. A wedge of Parmesan for Alfredo sauce, $4.39. Okay, so not too much new down here. Everything looks pretty much the same. They have lo mein packets here. I'm making mine homemade, but these veggie spring rolls look really good to me. The stir-fry veggies look good as well, but I don't need anything, so I'm going to pass on it for now. They do have spicy crab rolls and coconut shrimp over there. Mini empanadas. Vegan teriyaki chicken bites. Let's see, my favorite, I haven't bought those in a while, but oh look, India butter chicken. I love butter chicken, you guys know that. I make it regularly. I've never bought a frozen version. Bagel pizzas, pizza, breadsticks, breakfast bowls. Okay, now they're talking. I saw these blueberry oatmeal bites last week, but maple, yummy. I don't eat breakfast. I'm not gonna get them, but they do look good. Ooh, edamame. So the edamame is $2.49. It looks really yummy. I don't really know where it would fit in my meal plan this week. It's such a good protein source and a vegetable. I'm gonna get it though, just to have in my freezer. $2.49. Lots of ice cream yummies. We still haven't opened our pomegranates. I can't believe my daughter hasn't gotten into those. I really don't know why. Lots of yummies. I didn't buy these a while ago and you guys told me they were amazing, so I am going to get them Atomic Spicy. I feel like these would be good to snack on, and also with our paninis, $4.49. Before leaving for Aldi, my daughter said don't forget to get more of that dill dip, and here I am, Elsie. Got it for you, girlfriend. $3.75. Okay, I'm gonna make tater tots with our paninis, $2.79. I'm also gonna get 2 more bags of green beans for our dog. She loves these. We play fetch with them essentially, or find it is what we call it. We throw them, she goes and finds it. It's a little activity. She gets the treat, 95 cents a bag. I hate, honestly, the waste of reusable bags, but when you're traveling, again, it's so much better than buying a million different snacks in the park. I know my kids love these, so I'm probably gonna get 2 boxes of these at $3.69, and they can each have them a couple days in the parks as well. Okay, so there you have it. There is my haul. It's very random. Things for my house sitter, things to get us through the week, things to take to Disney. But any guesses on the total? I am gonna take this on vacation. Crispy coconut rolls. They look so good to me, and they just seem frivolous, but I'm still gonna get them. I saw these in line. So yummy looking. I don't know how I did it, but I forgot to bring my bags in, and I didn't realize it until I went to bag. And I had no bags. And it looks like it's gonna rain. So wish me luck. Can I bag before it rains? I don't know. Success without rain, yay. Okay, our meal plan for the week, we're gonna have uni pizzas. My middle daughter requested these, and I actually am gonna have the dough for that. We have some in the freezer. We already have the spicy salami left over from Jimmy John's last week. Bottom line, it's gonna be a really easy one to put together. Don't need much for it. We're gonna have lo mein, that moved from last week's meal plan to this week. I'm gonna have Alfredo. We're gonna use green beans from my in-laws garden with that, and rolls. We're gonna have paninis this week, again using up the salami. A lot of us just actually make our paninis vegetarian. My older daughter requested, we call them hobo potatoes. You chop up potatoes, onions, butter, and you grill them or put them over like a campfire. And I have sweet corn. And then we're gonna have hot dogs. I have almost everything for that meal except for the buns and the potatoes, so I had to get those at Aldi. And then finally, we're gonna have a fend for yourself leftover night because we need to eat up and use up foods that we have before we go on vacation. So a simple meal plan this week. If you want to see me trying my uni pizza oven for the first time, you can check out this video right here. I love it. It's not very practical for making 5 individual pizzas, but the results are really delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.